Hi, another breakdown of the minor pentatonic position 5 today. Because I need to change my guitar from leg, I'm not going to show you the entire sequence because to keep it in image it's kind of hard. I'm just going to show you the final position. So we ended on fret 15. So we are going to start there and we're going. So it's a 1 2 1 2 minus 1 4 minus 1 4 if you want to call it that. So just and that's your last position in root of A for the minor pentatonic. Remember, you can play these in any root you would like to play it. For example, let's do it in D. Huh? If this is your first position, then you will just relocate your second position after the first, and you can just play in any key minor pentatonic if you remember these shapes and you are able to fluently connect them, or you will recognize songs also within this entire scale, maybe adding some flavor notes or blue notes like the people want to call it. But I'm going to give you the example of Kenny Rogers, Ruby, Don't Take Your Guns to Town. So if we are in A, he will do at some point in the song, and I like the tempo of it. I just don't remember the key now, but something like this, I think. But it's kind of it's a very fun song to play along with. But I play so many songs, I really need the taps or the notes to remember them. I have some things I remember, like the Danzig. Some things like this. I wanted to do Dio Holy Diver, but something like that one, but I think you have to remember it. But I'm sure if you are doing covers and you are going with your band to rehearsal, and after that you play them maybe weekend after weekend, it becomes a habit, but I like to explore songs. I don't revisit them very often because it's music, it's unlimited. You can play anything you like, from genres, from jazz to pop to reggae or country, metal. But I really need some kind of pedal for it because this is only clean, maybe a bit of crunch if you're really pushing on it. Yeah, but that's it. yeah, have fun with these scales. Remember, you can play those positions anywhere you want. You keep your root anywhere you want to, but follow them up. Also know they are like a never-ending story. They will repeat themselves all over the neck again. So if you are finished here, you can play a previous position or the next position from here. But don't worry about this. Just play, if you are here on the first one and you know the pattern of the fifth one, play it in reverse here and it's okay. So let's do it. Have fun with this one.